Hello everybody, my name is Rakshith. I'm an MLOps engineer at Writer. Today I'm very excited to talk to you about the recently launched Palmyra X5 model. Let's take a look. So it is doing really well. It's because when you look at the benchmarks, it's 19.1% on the OpenAI's MRCR benchmark. And this MRCR benchmark is evaluating the model's ability to look at longer context lengths. So we ran the hardest of the MRCR OpenAI's benchmark version. That's the 8-needle benchmark, and we are able to get really good results. When you look at the results, the model is able to disambiguate very similar detractive queries, about 8 of them, very effectively. That's what it means to get a higher score. Just to give you a perspective, OpenAI's GPT 4.1 is at 20%. So we're doing really good on that. Now let's take a look at the other row that where it says 48.7%, and that's what we got running the BigCodeBench benchmark. And this benchmark is meant to run real-world coding challenges, and the model is doing pretty good. Now the graph's y-axis shows OpenAI's MRCR 8-needle benchmark value. The x-axis shows the cost per million input tokens. So you can see that Palmyra X5 is on the top end at the lower end of the cost, whereas the other models are expensive, and some of the models from the OpenAI's class, for example, 4.0 mini or O3 mini are really underwhelming in terms of long context performance. Even 4.0 is okay, but it's still pretty expensive. Now you look at the GPT 4.1, and that is actually way more expensive than Palmyra X5. The whole gist you want to take away from the slide is the Palmyra X5 model is pretty cost effective, and it can do long context queries very effectively. I want to leave you with this. It is one thing to deploy AI agents. It's a completely different thing to deploy AI agents at scale, completely cost effective, and at very much of a very simplistic setup. So come talk to us. We are very happy to advance your AI journey. Stay tuned because we got a lot more coming up. Thank you very much.